Welcome everyone. I hope you all have read lesson The Canary. Now take out page number 15 of your English reader. Let's do exercise C3. Tick the correct option to complete the following sentences. Children, for each sentence, 3 options are given. You will pick up a suitable option to complete the sentence. So, let's start. First is, a canary is a water bird. Second, a small yellow bird. And third option is a bird of prey. Children, a bird of prey means a bird that kills and eats other animals and birds. Now you will take the correct option, and you all know that the correct option is a small yellow bird. Second is, Molly was very happy with Somu because he took good care of her, had many friends, liked to hear her songs. And the correct option is, Molly was very happy with Somu because he took good care of her. Third is, Somu lost interest in Molly because he had got a new toy gun, found looking after her boring, had become careless. And the correct option is, Somu lost interest in Molly because he had got a new toy gun. And fourth is, Molly was lying half dead because she was sick and sleepy. She was sad and unhappy. She had not been fed with food and water. And children, you all know the correct option is, Molly was lying half dead because she had not been fed with food and water. Last is, what a dreadful thing. Children, dreadful thing means very bad or unpleasant thing. Said Somu's mother. The dreadful thing was that Somu was ignoring Molly. Somu kept sleeping till late in the morning. Somu often left his room untidy. And the correct option is, the dreadful thing was that Somu was ignoring Molly. So children, now you will complete exercise C3 in the book only.